Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use InVideo for beginners.
Let's begin.
So here we are in InVideo.io, and as you can see, I'm currently logged in. So if you don't have an account yet or you're not yet logged in, then you need to sign up. And don't worry, that is very simple. All you have to do is click on sign up. So let me just show you. So InVideo.io right here. So all you have to do is click here on sign up. It's free, and then you would need to provide your Gmail or Google account right here, or you could just simply put it manually here, your name and then your email, and then you receive a code, then you need to type the code here. And after that, you would be prompted right here after a few questions. And now once you are here, then you can now proceed in making a video. So for this example, we will be utilizing AI text to video. So what will this do is from your text, it would create a video right here. So from here, we can see a lot of templates right here that we can use. So you can choose any one of them. So for example, I will be using this one right here. For example, we will be, our niche will be tech. So we'll be using this right here. And we're gonna click here on use template. And we're gonna choose the landscape size. So once you click on use template, now you can write your script right here. So we're gonna use ChatGPT for that. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT to give me 2 paragraphs about advancement of technology in the modern society. Just like that, and it would give us 2 paragraphs that we would need to paste here for our script that we will be using in InVideo. So we're just gonna copy this, and then we're gonna paste it right here. And after that, we're gonna click here on create scene so that the InVideo would, yes, so we want to rearrange the text right here. Yes. So create scenes. Now it will now create the scenes from our text that we have inputted right here, and it's now setting up the project right there. So now let's just wait for it. So our video is now in the making and it's almost there. Stand by. And now it's also generating thumbnails. That is pretty cool. As you can see right there. And now it's opening the project. So it's just like this. Now it's loading. And here we are. Now we can view our video right here. And as you can see, here's how it would look like right here. And this is the number 3 right here. No. And you have 1 and 2, 3. You have 3 samples. And for the 4th over here, and you can go here on the scenes right here. So these are your scenes right here, 1 to 11. So we have 11 scenes. So from here, what we can do is that we can also edit it by using our own assets by clicking here on the upload button, or we can use stock videos here in InVideo right here, or stock images right here if you click here on images. And we could also add our music, or from InVideo you can also do that. And here in the text, we can also add text if you'd want to, if you're not satisfied if in any of this video right here. And you could also add logos. So from here, you can import your logos and your elements right here. And you also have other templates in case you want to change your templates right here. So now what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna check it. So let's play this. So this is how it's gonna look like for our scene number 1. So now what we're gonna do so that we can see this one is we're gonna click here. And with just that, we have successfully created a video using InVideo right here. And you could also add a voiceover by clicking here, add voiceover. And from here, we can expand this right there. And once you have done that, then you can go for automated text-to-speech right here for the voiceover and generate voiceover, click here. And now it's generating. And you wanna click on add. And it will be added right here, but we're not gonna do that just yet. We're gonna erase this because I don't want any voiceover, but if you want one, then you can just put that. And now once you're happy with your video right here, you don't have anything else to add or edit, then you can click here to export. Click here. As you can see, we need to upgrade to export. And yeah, you can go for 720p at 720p or 1080p. You can also do that, but you need to upgrade to export. So you would really need to buy a subscription right here on InVideo. And that's basically how you use InVideo for beginners.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.